You want to watch the other side, dude? Yeah, you want me to back it up?
I'm on the side.
If you knock a mirror off, you're shit out of luck.
Alright, on this side.
Yeah, you might want to put it in park first.
Hang on.
Throw it in reverse. Give it a try. I don't care. It's not my car. Just watch your mirrors. You're real close on the other side. Your other mirror.
I know. I'm trying to get thank you for hitting it.
Other way. Other way. Yeah, you got to turn left to go right when you're backing up. You're going the wrong way.
Oh.
Can you see now? Hey, if you want the back of the car to go that way, you have to turn that way. Okay. Damn, dude, you said nice and easy. I'm not pushing the damn thing. Back the car up. Go ahead. I'm kidding. Straighten out the wheel. Pay attention to the steering wheel, dude. Straighten out the steering wheel. You can't look out of the mirror and turn. You move your head, not your arms. My ass. You're doing it again. Look where the steering wheel's at. Back up. Okay, straighten it out. That's good. You're too far. That's good. Back up. All right. Put it in park before you kill somebody. That's great. Shut it off.
We're slightly again.